we have the Inkey List products. We're going to do a review on each one of these. They're a targeted skincare treatment. So excited to try these out because not only from what I've tested, it's good, but it's also affordable. So let's get into it. I have 5 different ones here. Let's start with the Exome Hydro Glow Complex. Now, this is supposed to help enhance skin radiance, boost your skin collagen, and improve like firmness. So I have 40-year-old skin. You can see the fine lines and wrinkles starting to form. Fresh face, soaped in water down and rinsed off. So let's give this one here a try. Maybe I should hold it. Okay, there we go. Took a little bit to go through the little pump, but does it have a smell? No. I also have sensitive skin too. So if this is an irritant, you're gonna start to see it throughout the video. So it enhances your skin's radiance. Is it doing that? I would say definitely looking moisturized. It feels nice. It's light. It's not heavy. I work in a really dirty area, so something heavy mixed with a little bit of dirt is really going to clog my pores. I would say it does what it says it does. It gives that little bit of radiant to your skin. All right, now let's try the Advanced Retinol Serum. This is what it looks like, okay? This one's gonna be good for those deep wrinkles. So probably forehead, got a little bit of lines forming right here. Let's check this one out. Dark spots, firmness. My hands are a little bit moisturized now and I can't open the bottle. Okay, so this is what this one looks like. Well, we'll just put it on my finger here. Same color basically as the last formula. Now let's rub this in. Am I feeling any sort of like tingling or anything like that? I'd say no. This one maybe does have a slight smell, not offensive though, not overpowering. We'll go around the eyes right like that. How about those smile lines right here? Swoop. Again, not heavy, but this one does maybe seem like it has a little bit more substance to it than the last one. But, you know, a retinol formula. Still though, nothing like overpowering. And look at that. I'm getting this nice like radiant glow already. I really appreciate that. Like I said, I'm gonna have everything linked down below. This one, it was the Advanced Retinol Serum. All right, now let's go in with the bags, the under eye bags, right? This is called the Caffeine Eye Cream. So if you're not familiar with caffeine, caffeine can really help wake up those under eye bags. So it's gonna help depuff. And if you have late nights, work long hours, or just can't sleep, that's what this one looks like. We'll put that there. Maybe I should have put this one on first, huh? Let's put it on the right one. My sinuses are kind of goofy. So I have a little bit of a under eye baggage problem. Still same kind of very faint light scent. Make sure that we go all the way. Already looking, in my opinion, so much better. And then we have the glycolic acid exfoliating body stick. Where is that one at? Right here, okay? Tons of different options that Inkey List has. I know a lot of people like that under eye depuffing. Oh, this is interesting. So this one looks kind of like a deodorant, which I almost thought that it would be. It's kind of like for rough spots is what it's targeted for. Kind of smooths out uneven textures, or if I recall, they said put it over cellulite, okay? Now, I do have cellulite like on my legs and stuff. Let's see. My arms aren't looking too bad today. Let's see what the stick looks like, okay? Clear white stick. No scent. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this one here, dry, rough areas. The forehead skin is kind of, what do you want to say? It's not rough, but it does experience more fine lines than other places. So since I'm kind of targeting that area, I'm going to put it directly on those fine lines. Down the side. We'll even put it like right here, like where my earlobes are. Those necklines. Okay. What does this feel like? This one definitely, I'm not going to lie about this one. It feels like a little bit, I hate to use the word greasy, because it still feels very moisturizing to the skin. I feel like my fine line and wrinkles aren't as noticeable since I started this. Maybe they are. You be the judge. What do you think? So, glycolic acid exfoliating body stick. I do have rough, dry areas on my elbows. Can you hear that? That feels nice. Okay, up next, let's move on to the last one. The Bioactive Ceramide Repairing and Plumping Moisturizer. Oh boy. That's what this looks like. So I'm assuming it's kind of like a little canister of ointment or moisturizer, right? Okay, here's what this looks like. We'll pop the lid. Oh boy. Yeah, I mean, that's exactly what I thought that it might look like. So what does this do exactly? So it's supposed to firms, reduces fine lines and wrinkles with 24 hours of hydration. And the ceramide repairs, resets, and strengthens. So to me, that says, you know, long-term use, if it helps strengthen maybe already damaged skin. Again, no odor, which I don't know. I'm not a person that's into perfumey. And obviously, like I said, more towards the beginning of the video, I have kind of sensitive skin. So let's go ahead. Okay, this is definitely like thicker than some of the other stuff that they provided, or that I've put on my face so far, right? I don't know. Is it Would you put this on more at nighttime or just like any time of the day? It's a little bit heavier. I'm really starting to feel very moisturized. Put this on. Okay, let's take a look at those fine lines and wrinkles. I mean, still there, obviously. Less noticeable, more hydrated. I kind of have that glowy dew look, which I'm not opposed to. Have I overdone it? Probably not. Probably not. I think that's appropriate. Do I like these products? Yeah. Yeah. Like I said, good value for the types of skincare products that they provide. It's not going to break the bank. And, you know, you have a wide range of offers from the depuff to fine lines, wrinkles, the Ceramide. Anyway, this is the Inkey List. Definitely check it out. I think you're gonna like it.